Welcome to Learning Easier. Today we're going to learn about personal pronouns. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Example, I, he, she, his, her, me, we, they, who, and etc. Noun. A noun is a word that describes a person, place, or thing. Personal pronoun. A personal pronoun is a pronoun that replaces the name of a person, place, or thing in a sentence. Example for personal pronoun are I, me, we, us, you, they, them, he, him, she, her, and it. Personal pronouns can be classified into singular and plural pronouns. Singular first person is I and me. Singular second person is you. Singular third person is he, she, him, her, and it. Plural first person is we and us. Plural second person is you. Plural third person is they and them. Examples for personal pronoun. She is good in mathematics. She is a personal pronoun present in the sentence because it is a pronoun that replaces the name of a person. He is going to soccer class in the weekend. He is a personal pronoun in the sentence. I love to play with my new toys. I is a personal pronoun in the sentence because it is replacing the name of a person. Do you like it? It is a personal pronoun present in the sentence. His is a personal pronoun in the sentence. His father is a lawyer. Him is a personal pronoun in the sentence. Do you know him? You will come with me. Me is a personal pronoun present in the sentence. We have done it successfully. We is a personal pronoun in the sentence because it is replacing the name of a person, place, or thing. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video to friends and family. Where it comes in the comment box below. Subscribe with the bell button. Follow Learning Easier Instagram.